Hey everybody, it's Lisa, owner of Peaches Skincare. Wear a hat. If you see me outside, I've got my lifeguard hat on. Get that blood flowing. It's like working out the arms or your muscles of your leg. Hey everybody, it's Lisa, owner of Peaches Skincare. You can visit us at peachesskincare.com, and I also invite you to follow us on Instagram and Facebook to see a little bit more about who we are and our holistic beliefs in skincare. We also show a lot of before and after pictures, especially of the face, to give you an understanding of what natural can do for you. If you visit our website, you'll see many of the products that I've made over the past 3 decades, but always comment with love and kindness below. I can guide you through products that you might be using or interested in, and I invite you to subscribe. If this particular video does not resonate with you, I can promise you that there will be videos that resonate. And so many of you watch, but you're not subscribing. It doesn't cost anything, and it really is a gift and a hug to me for all of this hard work that I do, trying to help all of you be your very best. Today we're talking about dry hands. I did a hands video a few months ago, but this is a cute little, or a quick little fix to taking care of your hands. So first thing that I like to do is, if you have any brown spots or you have any really dry skin, find something with a pumpkin or a papaya enzyme in it. This is our miracle mask. Our clients lovingly renamed it that probably 8 to 10 years ago, and it is incredible on the face. But I do like to put a little bit on my hands like so, and I just let it dry. Now, many times when it dries, it can dry to a point where you can buff it off. Now, it stings a little bit because I've got a couple little cuts and things, but that's okay. This is a really healthy, pure product for your skin. And you can actually buff it off of your hands, or you can just allow it to do a very superficial peel, getting rid of any skin cells, any dryness, any dark patches on your hands. I think it's why I don't have spots on my hands or my arms. During facials, we'll put the miracle mask on our hands as we work it onto the client's face. So I'm not going to peel this off because I didn't leave it on long enough. But let's pretend that I did, and when you peel, you can rub it off or what have you. So after you've done that and you've peeled your hand, now let's say you don't even want to do that step, you can go right into this next step. The next step is some extra virgin olive oil, and you'll pour a little bit on your hand. I just get it from Costco, and you'll work it all around your hand. Get really in to the center of your fingers. You can work your cuticles if you want to. Get it all really in there. Then take some Vaseline brand petroleum jelly. It's the only petroleum jelly I recommend. They have a triple purification process that is just theirs. What do they call that? Proprietary. Kent always has to help me with that word. Now what you've done is you've taken the oil and now you're locking it in with all of the Vaseline, just like so. So you've got olive oil on your hands and you've got Vaseline on your hands. Now, if you have some wonderful cloth gloves, put those cloth gloves on. If you have a pair of socks, put the socks over your hands. Let it heat up a little bit. You can do this while you're watching television. You can do this while you're sleeping and then pull them off. But you will be shocked at how gorgeous your hands will look. And hopefully we got a good before and after for you for this video. Another really great product that I'm loving, I've showed it to all of you before. I don't get paid for this. This is just a local store. Temecula Olive Oil Company. So TemeculaOliveOil.com. This one's a lavender, but it's an olive butter, and they use a cold pressed olive oil, and I think they said that for lavender, just a little bit of real lavender, so there's no real ingredients, I would say. I should really have looked at that even more. I'm sorry, guys, but I'm really impressed with this product is my point. So if you wanted something that was already done or in a container, the lavender olive butter is wonderful. So let me just show it to you a little bit better. It is by Temecula Olive Oil Company. They have all kinds of olive oils and things. They have a sugar scrub I love. And it really lasts a long time, and it's a great product if you wanted something already done. But if not, just some Vaseline and olive oil. Now you can work it up your arms if you'd like to. And I just want to show you they already feel so much better, just how much better my hands look. And they just feel softer already. And if you do put a sock or some cloth gloves on, you're going to be shocked at how amazing your hands feel and look. They will feel healed almost in a second. And that's why many times I'll recommend that you put a light layer of Vaseline on your face as well if you feel very dry. I think you all know, in fact, that typically when I wake up in the morning before I make the bed, I wash my face and I either put a light layer of actually Miracle Mask on my face, or I will put a light layer, especially with the Santa Ana winds. So what that is in California is they're very dry winds that come in from the desert, and it is incredibly hot and incredibly drying. And I will put a light layer of Vaseline on my face for that as well. So that can really lock in moisture. My hands already feel great. You can, as I said, work it up your body. And I hope this helps you to see that you can take care of your hands naturally. A lot of the moisturizers or hand creams out there have a lot of fragrance, and they can really irritate you or cause a little bit of a chemical reaction and burn your hands a little bit more. But I hope that this helped you. So hey everybody, stay beautiful naturally.